Every day I'm shuffling. Shuffling. Put your hands up.
When I look in her eyes, it ain't no surprise. Sparks started flying like the 4th of July. She gets me so hot and my heart starts a-popping. We get to kissing, there ain't no stopping. When it comes to love, she ain't no slacker. My little darling is a firecracker. When I light the fuse, I gotta get back quick. You gotta be careful with a dynamite stick. Son of a gun, she's fun to handle, and she packs a punch like a Roman candle. She's a pack of black cats in a red paper wrapper. My little darling is a firecracker. We might not ought to take a roll in the hay, 'cause we burned the barn down one of these days. We're a match made in heaven, and it ain't no joke. But I sure hate to see it go up in smoke. We got a good thing going and it feels so right. She's a firecracker, she's the light of my life.
Let's join together now to salute all veterans and those currently serving here at home and around the world. A huge Independence Day thank you to all our heroes from Methodist, red, white, and boom.
got a feeling that tonight's gonna be a good, good night. A feeling that tonight's gonna be a good, good night. Tonight's the night, let's live it up. I got my money, let's spin it up. Go out and smash it, like oh my god. Jump out that sofa, let's kick it off.
I know that we'll have a ball if we get down and go out and just lose it all. I feel stressed out, I wanna let it go. Let's go way out, spaced out and losing all control.
Fill up my cup, Mazel tov. Look at her dancing, just take it off. Let's paint the town, we'll shut it down. I got a feeling that tonight's gonna be a good night. That tonight's gonna be a good night. That tonight's gonna be a good, good night.
Like a lightning bolt, your heart will glow, and when it's time, you know you just gotta ignite the light and let it shine. Just own the night like the 4th of July. 'Cause baby, you're a firework. Come on, let your colors burst. Make 'em go, you're gonna leave 'em all in Boom, boom, boom. Even brighter than the moon, moon, moon. It's always been inside of you, you, you. And now it's time to let it through. 'Cause baby, you're a firework. Come on, show 'em what you're worth. Make 'em go, as you shoot across the sky. Baby, you're a firework. Come on, let your colors burst. Make 'em go, you're gonna leave 'em all in even brighter than the moon, moon, moon. Boom, boom, boom. Even brighter than the moon, moon, moon.
All along the Peoria and East Peoria riverfronts, on the water and lining the streets, buildings, and bluffs. You are a part of the biggest fireworks show Central Illinois has ever seen. This is Methodist Red, White, and Boom.
If tomorrow all the things were gone I'd worked for all my life, and I had to start again with just my family by my side, I thank my lucky stars to be living here today. 'Cause the flag still stands for freedom, and you can't take that away. And I'm proud to be an American, where at least I know I'm free. And I won't forget the men who died and who gave that right to me. I will at least stand up next to you and defend her still today. 'Cause there ain't no doubt I love this land. God bless the U.S.
distant, turning further from my home. Young, like a new moon rising, fierce through the rain and lightning, wandering out into this great unknown. And I don't want to cry, but tell them if I don't survive, I was born free. I was born free. I was born free. Born free.
My old man, sad old man, spent his life living off the land. Dirty hands and a clean soul. It breaks his heart seeing foreign cars filled with fuel isn't ours, and wearing cotton we didn't grow. He's got the red, white, blue flying high on the farm, Semper Fi tattooed on his left arm. Spent a little more in the store for a tag, and the back it says USA. Won't buy nothing that he can't fix. WD-40 and a Craftsman wrench, he ain't prejudiced. He's just made in America. He loves his wife, but she's that wife that decorates on the 4th of July, but says every day is Independence Day. She's golden rule, teaches school. Some folks say it isn't cool, but she says the Pledge of Allegiance anyway. He's got the red, white, blue flying high on the farm, Semper Fi tattooed on his left arm. Spent a little more in the store for a tag, and the back it says USA. Won't buy nothing that he can't fix. With WD-40 and a Craftsman wrench, he ain't prejudiced. He's just made in America.
We're filling the sky with light and color and rattling every window in the Illinois River Valley with the thundering sound of the biggest fireworks extravaganza ever seen in central Illinois. This is Methodist Red, White, and Boom.
Oh, beautiful, up the spacious sky, for amber waves of rain, oh, purple mountain majesty.
Watch how good I'll fake it. It's alright, alright. Tonight, tonight. You got me singing like, whoa, come on. Oh, it doesn't matter. Whoa, beat down. It's my party, dance if I want to. We can get crazy, let it all out. It's you and me, and we're running this town. And it's me and you, and we're shaking the ground. And ain't nobody gonna tell us to go, cause this is our show. Everybody, oh, come on. Oh, all you animals, oh, let me hear you now. Tonight, tonight, there's a party on the rooftop, top of the world. Tonight, tonight, and we're dancing on the edge of the Hollywood sign. Like, oh, come on. Oh, all you party people, it's my party. Dance if I want to. We can get crazy, let it all out. Just go slow, let's keep the beat bumping, keep the beat up, let's shut the beat down. It's my party. Dance if I want to. We can get crazy, let it all out. It's
Driving down the street today, I saw a sign for lemonade. They were the cutest kids I'd ever seen in this front yard. As they handed me my glass, smiling, thinking to myself, man, what a picture perfect postcard this would make of America. It's a high school prom, it's a Springsteen song, it's a ride in a Chevrolet. It's a man on the moon and fireflies in June and kids selling lemonade. It's cities and farms, it's open arms, one nation under God. It's America. Else I'd rather build my life, 'cause it's a kid with a chance, it's a rock and roll band, it's a farmer cutting hay. It's a big flag flying in the summer wind over a fallen hero's grave. It's a high school prom, it's a Springsteen song, it's a welcome home parade. It's a man on the moon and fireflies in June and kids selling lemonade. It's cities and farms, it's open arms, one nation under God.
along both sides of the Illinois, from the Murray Baker to the Bob Michael, and 1,000 feet into the night sky. You're thrilling to the biggest 4th of July fireworks show Central Illinois has ever seen. This is Methodist Red, White, and Boom.